Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear two face accessories or more than two accessories at once on Roblox. So you have to open browser on your device, whether you're using iPhone, iPad or Android mobile you have, or on a PC. You just need to go to roblox.com on browser. Now you just need to tap on this menu button here and just need to tap on this avatar over here. And if your Roblox avatar editor doesn't open, you just need to tap on double A over here and request the desktop website. So once you enable the desktop website on your mobile or iPad, you just need to head over to the accessories and go to face accessories. Right now you can see that I have only cubed only one accessories. So if I want to wear multiple accessories, you can see it is not working. So how can I select multiple accessories? You have to hold a new accessories, copy the link address, open a new tab and paste the link over here. Paste the link over here and copy the asset ID. Once you copy, go back to avatar editor and now you just need to tap on this advanced link over here. You can see, tap on it and tap on the blank asset ID here. Just tap on it. Once you paste the asset ID, you just need to tap on save and tap on save again. And once you saved the asset ID, your item will be selected. And as you can see, I have successfully selected two accessories at once. So if you want to wear multiple accessories, then guys you have to repeat the same steps. Hope you like it. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Till then,